Hi, I'm Alex, a member of the Ravenshead U3A. I have an interest in calligraphy. Today I'm hoping to show you the basics of calligraphy. Calligraphy is really a dying art, and I have a passion of teaching it to people that are interested so that this art will continue. All you need for this tutorial is a fountain pen with a broad nib, ink, paper, layout paper. Last of all, you need a good solid surface at roughly 30 to 45 degrees. The basic pen hold is as any other pen, but you need the angle of the nib at 45 degrees so that when you come down a stroke, it's thick. When you go horizontal, it's slightly smaller size. And then if you go up at 45 degrees, it's a very thin stroke. The next step is to find the height of each letter. You need to know what we call the X height, which is 4 nib widths for the foundational hand. You hold the nib at 90 degrees there, pull across to make a square, go onto the top of it, and make a ladder up. So you've got 4 pen nib widths across. You then push your ruler to the bottom square, pull the pencils across to bring the bottom line, push the ruler up, and that is your basic X height, which is going to be the height of this particular script. I first became interested in calligraphy when I went to the British Library, an exhibition on manuscripts. I came home inspired and I bought 1 or 2 calligraphy books. Then I joined a calligraphy society. Now we have the X height. I'm going to show you 5 basic strokes to make most of the letters of the alphabet. The first stroke is a down stroke, trying to keep it vertical, slight turn at the top and the bottom. The next stroke is a curve to the left. Next stroke is a curve to the right. I'm just touching the pencil lines there. A horizontal line occasionally, and a cross stroke, about 45 degrees there. These are the basic strokes that you need. Now the wonderful thing is that you can make most of the letters of the alphabet with those strokes. So we do that curve that you've learnt to the left, just complete it over, and then a straight stroke down. And voila, we have an A. We just extend that vertical stroke a little bit over the pencil mark to come down, and then we do a curve to the right that we've learnt. And we've got a B. A C is the stroke that you've learnt, just completed across the top, touching those pencil marks. I'll finish off with a D. A D is a curve to the left. We've done that stroke 3 times now. And then a vertical stroke down with a slight curve at the top and the bottom. And we've done A, B, C, D. But we can do many more letters using those combination of strokes. I'm sure you would enjoy following a course of calligraphy because calligraphy is very therapeutic. And I guarantee that once you become interested in calligraphy, it will change your life because you will start looking around at lettering, which is all around us. Once we've got confidence with the basic strokes and then forming them into the letters, keeping the X height that is in between the pencil lines, you can start making a word. I'm going to start doing my beloved wife's name, a J, so that's just a straight stroke down with a slight curve at the bottom, and E, we've learnt that curve to the right, complete it over, and then an A, we've learnt that curve to the left, and now a straight stroke down. We've learnt all this. An N is a straight stroke down, really an I, but then keeping the white space the same. So that's almost two I's there. An E, and then a T. It's just an extended straight stroke down. Finish it off with a slight curve, and then we do that horizontal stroke that we learnt. Another T, down, curve, horizontal stroke, and then, so easy, you've already done the E, which is a curve to the left, and complete it off, and there we have Jeanette. Now that we've learnt the basic strokes and practiced some letters, we need to use them for some projects. The first project is the easiest really, is to do place names for a wedding. We're going to invite Hannah to the wedding. We've learnt these strokes so that we can do a name place or place name. There's Hannah. And we've invited Max, and there we have Max and Hannah, and then we can put that at the dining table. Another project that can save a lot of money is making your own happy birthday cards to your friends. And so we've learnt that downstroke. We'll do an H. This is using all the basic strokes that you've already learned. And then we can add some decoration to it. And there we have a very cheap birthday card to save you lots of money. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I hope I've inspired you to go out, buy a pen, paper, and start writing beautiful letters.